Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my last video, I showed you this rising wedge pattern and the price line of Stellar was at the support. Right now, the price line is having a nice reversal move from the support of this wedge. And in today's video, we will try to analyze this move. And before starting the analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to again recall this pattern that I shared with you back in June 2021, when the price line of Stellar completed the formation of a harmonic bullish reversal cypher move, and I told you that from here we can expect a reversal move. Now, after playing the chart, we can observe that the price line went very close to this sell target. The sell target starts from 44.39 cents and goes to 67.57 cents, and the price line rallied up to 44.12. So this move is still due, and I'm expecting that soon the price line will hit these sell targets, and even the price line can cross up this maximum extent of this sell zone as well. Now let's move to this weekly time frame chart that I showed you in my previous video as well. This is the live weekly time frame, and we can see that the price line entered in this rising wedge pattern on the candlestick that was started on 7th of June. And this is the weekly candlestick, by the way, and you can see that we had first rejection here, then we had another rejection here and here and here as well, and two more rejections here. So we had a very strong resistance, and we also have a very strong support as well. You can see that the price line found the support here in June 2021, and even if I connect these candlesticks, this trend line up to these candlesticks, and we can see that this support has been found in November 2020. So this is more than a year the price line did not break down this uptrend line support of this rising wedge, and the price line is now again having nice bounces. Therefore, in my previous video, I told you that we can expect another bounce from here. The price line at that time was testing the support here, and right now we can see that after two bearish candlesticks, the first bullish candlestick has been appeared on the support of the 25 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. That is also really very strong support on the weekly time frame, this 25 simple moving average, and it is possible that the 25 simple moving average will lift the price line to the upside, like it has been lifting the price line previously as well. And now, for example, if we are, as I'm expecting a move at least up to this resistance of the wedge. So for example, if the price line will hit the resistance here, that will be approximately at 43 to 44 cents. However, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the wedge, in that situation, our imminent target after the breakout will be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then our imminent target will be 62.5 cents approximately. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.